Now all of you look activity 5. Read the question given there. All of you read the question given there. The king decided to honor the great-grandfather. He organized a function to felicitate him. The great-grandfather made a speech about the difference between the lifestyle and the methods of farming during his own time and that of the present generation. What would be the likely speech made by the great-grandfather? Write the speech using the hints given in the box below. Look at the box given here. It includes 2 columns. First column includes the past generation and the second column includes the present generation. Now you can understand the differences between past generation and the present generation. So let's read it. Lived by one's own labor. What about present generation? Depend on others. Past generation had no desire for what others had produced. Present generation is jealous and greedy. Past generation used natural methods of farming. What about present generation? Yes, we use artificial methods. Now look the last point. Past generation was not selfish and were generous. What about present generation? Yes, they are selfish and self-centered. Now all of you write the speech using the hints given in this box. Students, now all of you take page number 117. There is an activity. Activity 6. All of you read the question given there. Look at the words given below. Compare the features of the old peasant and the great-grandfather. One is done for you. Students, now all of you read the features given in the box. Deaf, greedy, generous, healthy, lazy, clear speech, sharp ears, unhealthy, irrational, unselfish, rational, selfish, toothless, indistinct speech, hardworking, strong teeth. Students, now all of you try to write the descriptions of the old peasant and the grandfather. Now all of you pause the video and try to write this activity. Hope you all wrote this activity. Now all of you read it. Yes. Deaf, greedy, lazy, unhealthy, irrational, selfish, toothless, and indistinct speech are the features of the old peasant. Now read the features of the great-grandfather. Yes. Bright eyes, generous, healthy, clear speech, sharp ears, unselfish, rational, hardworking, and strong. These are the features of great-grandfather. Using the words you have listed, write a description each about the old peasant and the great-grandfather. Students, now all of you do it yourself. Now all of you take page number 118. Look activity 7. All of you read the question given there. Read the words given in the bubble. Find out words that are related to the encircled words. Write them in the blanks given. Students, all of you read the words given in this bubble. Yes, perfume, scent, sight, sweet, soul, whisper, noise, look. Now all of you fill these blanks using the apt words. This is a homework for you. Now all of you look activity 8. Read the sentences given below. Rewrite them using hardly. One is done for you. Example, the king showed him the grain, but the man could not see it. The king showed him the grain, but the man could hardly see it. Students, what are the differences that you can see in these sentences? Yes. No or not is not used in the second sentence. Am I right? Instead of that, hardly is used because it is used to denote negativity. Hardly negates the verb that follows it. Students, Now, can you rewrite these sentences using hardly? Okay, write it yourself. Students, now all of you take page number 119. Look the last activity. Read the following sentence from the story. The grain was as large as a hen's egg. We can split this sentence into two. The grain was large. A hen's egg was large. Now find out the appropriate pair of sentences from the table and combine using as. One is done for you. Kishore is as tall as Anand. Students, how can we split this sentence? Yes, very good. Kishore is tall. Anand is tall too. Students, like this, you have to identify the other sentences. Students, hope you all understood these activities. Am I right? We will meet in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you, dear children.